My name is Dick Paul. I'm a member of the FLC's National Advisory Council. I was with the Air Force for 33 years, and during the last 12 years I was in the federal lab system, so I have some understanding of that side. And then following retirement from the Air Force, I worked for the Boeing company in Seattle to get some private sector experience. The NAC is a National Advisory Council, and that is a group of 8 to 10 people with extensive experience in industry, academia, and the government, and we are essentially an advisory council to the FLC Executive Board. So if they need assistance or advice on any issue of interest, we're there to serve them. Primarily, the NAC is there to assist the Executive Board with any areas of interest, and they have specifically asked us to focus on the relationship between the federal labs and industry, since many of us have industry background. So we look for mechanisms to help them connect with industry and look for ways to get the labs and industry connected together. So Industry Day is one of the days in the FLC National Meeting in which we invite external stakeholders such as industry or investment organizations or local and state economic development organizations to come in and share with the federal labs their perspective on tech transfer, because they are the entities that actually commercialize the technologies that the laboratories invent or produce. So our Industry Day is to bring them in and share with the federal labs their perspective, since they're such an integral part of the tech transfer process. One of the organizations that we work with as the NAC is the Industrial Research Institute, which is a consortium of about 170 different companies. And we work with that organization to get a sampling of companies to bring in and express what their technology needs are, in hopes that some of the federal labs might be able to help solve those needs. So it's a very efficient way for us to reach out and tap a broad cross-section of industries very efficiently. Another example is an organization we worked with the first time, the Minority Business Development Agency. And they support a number of minority, small, and medium-sized businesses. So we just conducted a panel in Industry Day where they came in and shared some of their technology needs. And at the end of the meeting, several labs came up, they exchanged business cards, and we hope something will come out of that. I think the value proposition of the Federal Lab Consortium is really important in that it's a great mechanism for the laboratories in an efficient way to share what they can do for the country with the private sector, who are the ones that commercialize those technologies. So there's high value in bringing all these organizations together, and hopefully that value proposition will just continue to propagate.